How do I measure my body temperature accurately?
Hello, everyone. Today we'll be discussing a crucial yet often overlooked skill: accurately measuring your body temperature. Whether you're feeling a bit under the weather or just keeping track of your general health, knowing how to properly measure your body temperature can be a handy tool in your personal wellness toolbox. Let's dive right in and learn how to do this effectively and accurately.
What equipment do I need?
The first thing you need to accurately measure your body temperature is a reliable thermometer. There are many different types of thermometers available on the market today, but for home use, the most common ones are digital thermometers and infrared forehead thermometers. Ensure whichever device you choose is well calibrated and clean.
What's the proper method for each type of thermometer?
Depending on the type of thermometer you're using, the measurement method will differ slightly. Digital thermometers are typically used orally, rectally, or axillary, under the armpit. For oral use, 1. Place the tip of the thermometer under your tongue. 2. Close your mouth and breathe evenly through your nose to prevent the thermometer from cooling. 3. Wait until the thermometer beeps, or according to the user manual, usually this process takes about 1 minute. For rectal use, most accurate, typically for infants, 1. Apply a lubricant to the tip of the thermometer. 2. Gently insert it into the rectum about 1/2 to 1 inch. 3. Wait for the beep or according to the user manual. For axillary use, least accurate, 1. Position the thermometer in the center of the armpit. 2. Press your arm tightly against your body to keep the thermometer in place. 3. Wait for the beep or as instructed in the user manual. Infrared forehead thermometer 1. Position the thermometer 1 to 2 inches away from the center of the forehead. 2. Press the button to activate the reading. 3. The reading usually appears within seconds.
How do I interpret the reading?
Normal body temperature varies slightly from person to person and also depends on the time of day, but it generally falls within the range of 97 degrees Fahrenheit, 36.1 degrees Celsius, to 99 degrees Fahrenheit, 37.2 degrees Celsius. If your temperature reading is above 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit, 38 degrees Celsius, you might have a fever. Consult your healthcare provider if you're feeling unwell or if the high temperature persists. And there you have it. Accurately measuring your body temperature is a simple but essential skill, especially when you're monitoring your health at home. Just remember to use a reliable thermometer, follow the appropriate steps, and interpret the readings properly. Your health is in your hands. Stay healthy and keep learning. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.